So, in front of me I've got RingConn 2. In this video I'll show you how to check your activity reports. In the beginning, let's go to Insights and next go to Activity. Here you can check activity score, steps, calories, minutes, goal, activity calories, all day calories, time standing, activity intensity ratio, exercise records, activity summary. All of those informations you can check for each day. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.